this is Shane from Toyota Cruisers and Trucks. We're going to do the quick 30-second-ish install of the pedal commander. So there's the unit, the two plugs. So all we do, this is the GX460 R 2012, as we reach up here on top of the throttle and undo that. So you can see that there. All right. Okay, I have the pedal commander plugged into the vehicle, and now I'm going to plug it into the top of the throttle. And we should hear a click. And that's it. Obviously, I need to route the cable so that it's out of the way, so we'll do that. Okay, I've got the pedal commander mounted on the side of the console. The cable runs up underneath, so everything's out of the way and clean. Shine my light over there, so nothing is interfering with the pedal, and I'll zip tie those up, and then this will be done.